Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English channel for grade 8. Students will be starting a new lesson under the prose section, that is before the match. Before starting the class, first let me introduce with the writer R.K. Narayan. Then I'll give you the summary of this lesson in a storied form. So R.K. Narayan, his full name is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. He was born on 10th October 1906 at Chennai, and he was awarded with Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Sahitya Academy Fellowship, and he was died on May 13, 2001 in Chennai. He was such a celebrated English novelist from India. Before the match, as the name suggests, what it is about? Yes, it is about some sports or some games. Feeling interesting? Yes. So children, what you can do to watch or play a game? Which one is your favorite one? Yes, cricket. Very good. So for you like to play and also watch cricket alike, isn't it? So can you bunk a class? Let's see, this is a story in which the child plays a game, that is cricket, and what to which extent he can go to play the match. So let's start the summary of this story. Before the match is an excerpt from R.K. Narayan's work Swamy and Friends. Swamy and Friends is the first of a trilogy of novels written by R.K. Narayan. In this novel, which is also Narayan's first, is set in the pre-independence days in India in a fictional town, Malgudi, which has almost become a real place in India today due to the wide recognition and popularity of Narayan's many novels. Swamy and Friends is the story of a 10-year-old boy growing up during this particular time. He is a student at Albert Mission School, a school established by the British which gave importance to Christianity, English literature and education. So Swamy and Friends, it is set in the British colonial India in the year 1930, and it begins with an introduction to Swaminathan and his four principal friends. They are Somu, Shankar, Mani and P. Rajam also joins the group a little later. However, in the selected piece in this story, there are references to only Rajam and Mani. Swaminathan along with Rajam founds a new cricket team called the MCC, the short form for Malgudi Cricket Club. And Swamy is compared to Tete, the best bowler of the time, that is Maurice Tete, the English cricketer. A match is scheduled between the MCC and another local youth team called the YMU, that is Young Men's Union. But new tensions now mount between Rajam and Swaminathan in the backdrop of the match. Why? Because Swaminathan misses several practices due to the heavy load of drill, scouting and other things he has to do at the new school. His truancy infuriates Rajam, that is, his absenteeism angers Rajam, who suggests that they speak to the headmaster for permission for Swamy to leave the school early for practice sessions. But Swamy does not agree because his headmaster was very strict and he doesn't think that he would hear to the request. And so Rajam threatens him that Swamy, if you would not listen to me, saying that he would never speak to him again if he keeps any batsman waiting for more than 5 minutes. Now what Swamy will do? Swamy tries to escape the drill in the evening by telling the drill master that he is unwell. Swamy thinks of delirium as an excuse for not attending the drill. Though the drill master does not believe Swamy, but that day he lets him go. His cricket team members are too happy to see Swamy come early from practice. But Swamy knows that he has to find some other ways to escape the drill and other tasks of school for a whole week, whole activity. So next day, before school, early in the morning, what he did? He visits a doctor and tells him honestly that he wants a fake medical certificate. When the doctor tells him that he should have one or the other ailment or disease if he has to certify, then Swami mentions delirium as his problem. The doctor asks Swami in surprise whether he knows the meaning of delirium. Do you know what is delirium? Yes, it is a disease in which you will feel exciting or, or you will go on. It's a state of excitement where you cannot speak or you cannot speak clearly. Mostly it causes because of fever. So when Swami states that delirium is something, but Swami was thinking that delirium is something that like stomach ache. So the doctor now started laughing heartily. The doctor then tells Swami that he wouldn't be able to give the certificate because he tested him he checked him in every way and he was fine. Now when Swami came to know, he seriously requested him to help him out. The doctor now promises to speak to the headmaster and convince him to allow Swami to go for practice. Now Swami is greatly relieved, relaxed, and he leaves the place thanking the doctor for being kind to him. So this is the whole summary of the story before the match. Hope you understand. So let's start the glossary words. Glossary words. Peace of mind means state in which one feels calm and quiet, not worried. Thras means defeat someone very badly in a game. Anxiety means worry. Tete means Swami is given the nickname Tete after the famous English first bowler Maurice Tete, who was well known in the 1920s and 1930s. Fortnight means 2 weeks. Contrary to the custom means different from what usually happens every day. Talked up means the edges of their dhotis were folded and turned up. In those days, they used to wear dhotis. Muttering means saying something in a quiet voice that is difficult to hear. Became desperate means tried something when everything else had failed. Pursued means followed or chased someone. Oath means a word or phrase that is used to express anger, surprise, or shock. Delirious is a state of excitement when you cannot think or speak clearly, usually caused by a fever. Scouting means activities related to an organization called the Scout Association. It was originally meant for boys to train young people in practical skills and involve them in many activities like camping, etc. Of late means in recent times. Choke means make it difficult for someone to speak because they do not have enough air. Examine means looked at someone or something closely to see if there was anything wrong. In the pink of health means be in very good health. To get rid of means to free yourself of something that is annoying or causing a problem. Prosecuted means charged with a crime in a court of law. Over. Let's start the question answers and exercises. Comprehension. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two each. First question. Name the teams that are to play the cricket match in the lesson. That is, answer is MCC, that is Malgudi Cricket Club, and another local youth team called the YMU, that is Young Men's Union, are to play the cricket match. Question number 2. Who were the prominent players in the MCC team? Answer. Rajam, Mani and Swami were the prominent players in the MCC team. Question number 3. Who was the Tete of the team? Why was he called so? Swami is compared to Tete as he is a bowler. Tete refers to? Answer is, he refers to the best bowler of the time, Maurice Tete, the English cricketer. Question number 4. Why could Swami not attend the practice in the evenings? Answer. Every evening there was drill class or scouting and some school activities or the other one. Because of this, he could not attend the practice in the evenings. Question number 5. What was Swami's excuse for exempting him from drill for a week? Answer is, Swami claimed to be unwell to escape the drill class. He said that he had the problem of delirium. Question number 6. What did Swami request the doctor to give him? Swami requested the doctor to give him a medical certificate stating that he was unwell and should be exempted from drill classes in the evening. Now B. Read the extracts given below and answer the questions that follows. First question. There was only one who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. Question I. Who caused Rajam the deepest anxiety? Answer is Swami caused Rajam the deepest anxiety as he could not attend the cricket practice sessions in the evening. Question number 2. Why was this so? Answer. Every evening Swami had drill class or scouting or some other school activity that was compulsory. Second question. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. What is the match referred to here? The match is between MCC Malgudi Cricket Club and another local youth team called the YMU, that is Young Men's Union. Question number 2. Why were the evenings more precious than ever? There was just 1 week left for the match and hence every evening was precious. Next question. But contrary to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. Question. Why did Swami not take off his coat and cap? He wanted to seek permission from the drill master to be exempted from drill practice, so he did not take off his coat and cap. Question number 2. What happened soon after? Answer. The drill master did not agree to exempt Swami and ordered him to remove his coat and cap and get ready for drill. But Swami kept dodging him and told him that the previous night he was delirious. Though the drill master did not believe him, he let him go. Question number 4. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? Question. Who is speaking to Swami in these lines? Answer is the doctor is speaking to Swami. Question number 2. Was there anything really wrong with Swami? No, Swami in fact was in the pink of health, means in good health. Question number 3. What is the real purpose of Swami's visit? Answer is Swami's real purpose is to get a fake medical certificate so that his headmaster would exempt him from the compulsory classes in the evenings. Swami could then go for his cricket practice sessions. Fifth question. I can give you the certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. Question first. Why does the doctor refuse to give a certificate? Answer is the doctor refuses to give a certificate, saying that he would be prosecuted if he gave Swami a false medical certificate. Question number 2. What does he offer to do instead? The doctor offers to speak to the headmaster and request him to let Swami off after 4:30. Question number 3. Do you think the doctor was kind to Swami? Answer is, in the extract, the doctor seems to be a righteous and kind man. He does not agree to give a fake certificate as nothing is actually wrong with Swami. But when Swami explains to him how important it is for him to attend the practice sessions in the evening, the doctor promises to speak to the headmaster and request him to exempt Swami from the drill sessions. Now, let's go to the main C. Answer the following questions in about 6 or 8 sentences each, that is long question. Question number 1. How did Swami manage to get the permission of the drill master? Answer. Swami has missed many practice sessions of the cricket match and there is only 1 more week for the match against YMU cricket team. Rajam has already given a stern warning to Swami. Hence, Swami is determined to miss his drill class in school. He knows that his drill master will not let him go easily, so he pretends to be ill. When the drill master refuses to let him off, he keeps following him, making the same request. Finally, the drill master, who is annoyed, asks him what his problem is. Swami claims to be suffering from delirium. He says that he was unable to sleep even a wink in the previous night. He adds that his doctor had advised him not to attend drill for a week. After all this, the drill master permits Swami to skip the drill session, adding that he did not believe a word of what Swami said. Thus, we see that against all odds, Swami manages to get the permission of the drill master to skip drill. Question number 2. What was Swami's plan to get exemption from drill for a week? Answer is, Swami knew that if he had to be exempted from drill for a whole week, his pretense of illness alone would not be sufficient. He knew that he needed a more authentic proof of his illness. That's why he decides to go to a doctor before going to school to get a medical certificate. With the doctor, however, he is honest. He tells him about the cricket match and the need to get time for practice sessions. He hopes that the doctor would understand his predicament and give him the false medical certificate. Question number 3. How did the doctor promise to help Swami? On coming to know from Swaminathan that he wants the doctor to give him a certificate stating that he should be exempted from evening classes, the doctor wants to know whether there is any real problem with Swaminathan. The doctor is greatly amused when Swaminathan tells him that he has been suffering from delirium. However, from Swami's explanation that delirium was some kind of stomach ache, the doctor realizes that Swami has a total misunderstanding of the term. On examining Swami, the doctor also comes to know that Swami is in the pink of health. Hence, the doctor refuses to give him a well and offers to speak to the headmaster and about Swami's inability to attend the compulsory sessions in the evening. Now, let's start the writing activity. Complete the following paragraphs with the help of the clues given below. There lived a king by name Krishna and Queen Radha lived in a very big palace with hundreds of servants and soldiers. Both the king and the queen were fond of honey. They built a separate storeroom to store a few tins of honey. The king appointed 12 guards to keep watch round the clock. One of the guards wanted to eat some of the royal honey. So he made a secret entry to the storehouse of honey and stole a few tins of honey. The queen came to know of the theft in the palace and demanded her beloved husband to punish the thief. In the morning the next day, the king summoned all the guards at once and ordered them to stand in a line. The king devised a plan to identify the guard who had stolen the honey. He told them in a polite tone that he noticed a pinch of honey on the board of one of the guards. As soon as the king uttered these words, one of the guards lifted up his hand to wipe his beard. The king observed this act and he told the guard that he was the culprit. Thus the king was able to detect the thief without any investigation. Over. Hope you understand, children. Practice all this and share, like and subscribe this channel.